Punta tayo sa pag-aari ng lupa sa Pilipinas. Of course, alam natin na ang lupa ay isang malaking bagay, malaking investment dito sa ating bayan at para sa ating mga kababayan. So yung pagbili ng lupa ay hindi parang pagbili ng candy lang, over the counter. Kailangan it takes a lot of savings, it takes a lot of determination, it takes a lot of study to look at the property you are going to purchase. Of course, ang pinaka-importante dito ay merong titulo or proof of ownership of the property being bought. Dito sa Pilipinas, maraming proof of ownership, no? Yung original certificate of title na tinatawag ng ini-issue ng Register of Deeds under the Land Registration Authority. This is based on the torrent system. Meron din tayong Transfer Certificate of Title. Pag meron ng dating OCT na i-transfer sa isang tao, that becomes a Transfer Certificate of Title. Pag condominium naman, meron tayong Condominium Certificate of Title. At ito, of course, when you buy properties from the condominium, if you are applying for public land and it is awarded to you, ang may issue sa iyo ay free patent or kung less than 200 square meters, more than 200 square meters, bibigyan ka rin ng award resulting to a title issued by the Register of Deeds para sa coverage ng property mo. Of course, when you buy property, importante yung deed of sale and other documents which will be given by the seller to the owner. More or less, the safest way to buy property in this country is to deal directly with the owners. As much as possible, direct buyer kayo, wag na kayong dumaan sa mga ahente or to the other companies or agents na humingi pa ng commission because that will be additional cost on your part. And finally, of course, yung taxes due government, capital gains tax, transfer fees, and other fees, assessors, and register of deeds.